friends, let's discuss about patient-specific implants for the management of complex orbitofacial trauma. When I talk about patient-specific implants, these are very customized orbital implants which are used for reconstruction of the orbit and to give a near normal look to those patients having very complex fracture involving the orbit, involving the face and also involving the cranium. So these patient-specific implants gives a lock and key type fit which gives a very precise correction and thus a very good aesthetic outcome in such complex situation. So let's go to the OT now and start the surgery for this young patient who had suffered a very bad road traffic accident leading to total disfigurement of the face because of the fracture of the orbit and the facial bones. Thank you.